Friends, next month, the prestigious AI Impact Summit will be organized in India in the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. India is preparing itself for the cutting-edge technology adoption in the digital sphere. India is already in the leadership position. We have UPI kind digital public infrastructure. In the digital transaction, India is leading in comparison to all parts of the globe. Taking forward that momentum, India is organizing AI Impact Summit. Now, entire country is preparing itself, being an innovators country, being a futuristic country. The entire ecosystem, all the cohort of society, all the important stakeholders of government and society, all are engaged, all are deliberating, discussing and making strategy how to implement the disruptive technology AI in our ecosystem, whether it is education, whether it is agriculture, whether it is healthcare, whether it is logistics, whether it is manufacturing. In all the aspects, Indian academia. Today I am speaking from IIT Madras. IIT Madras is in charge of, last year Government of India gave us a Center of Excellence for AI in Education, and we decided to park that Center of Excellence in IIT Madras as a hub. Now I am here today to have a review what is the progress of Center of Excellence of AI for Education on the sideline of AI Impact Summit. Friends, I can see a bright future of Indian students, Indian teachers, Indian parents, Indian institute builders. By using AI, we will leapfrog. We will have a quantum jump in future in our governance, in our pedagogy, in our teaching learning material. Our youngsters, our new generation will benefit out of this new disruptive technology, and our education ecosystem, whether federal government, whether provincial government, any kind of institutions, all kind of institutions are now preparing themselves how they will adapt AI in their curriculum, AI in their pedagogy, AI in their administrative system. On the eve of Pongal, the auspicious day, country is preparing itself how the new year will adapt AI in Indian education ecosystem. Yesterday, I met the governing council of NITSR, all the NITs and ISR. Yesterday, we decided three important things. Indian Education Institute will more towards cutting-edge technology savvy, teaching learning methodology like AI. There will be a new course curriculum looking into the global need. India is a superpower today in financial world. We are the number 4 largest economy in the world today. When the entire world is looking towards us for the different region, we have to prepare our education system. So we decide to have a paradigm shift, total rehauling of our curriculum system. On specific number 2, every year we are producing many doctoral students, PhD students. Till now in Indian ecosystem, our PhD was priority more towards academics, more towards citation, more towards quality papers. They all have produced quality papers, quality ideas. But now, I appeal to the entire Indian education ecosystem to focus on the problems, on the national priorities, on the national missions. Product PhD is the priority of the day. Industry PhD is the priority of the day. These are two second important decisions we have taken. And third important decision we have taken, we will focus from school to research. The teaching methodology, teaching medium of instruction, medium of understanding will be mother tongue. Mother tongue will be given priority in all Indian educational institutions. So these are the three important things yesterday. We took decision.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.